If your daily cup of coffee could become a hidden ally against age-related muscle loss, would you want to hear about it? Stay with me for the next few minutes because what I am about to explain could reshape the way you think about your morning routine. 3 months ago, a patient named Margaret walked into my clinic. At 68, she was struggling just to carry her grocery bags from the car to the kitchen. She felt worn out, discouraged, and deeply afraid of losing her independence. She told me she had already tried supplements, followed workout programs, and even adjusted her diet, yet nothing truly helped. So I asked her one very simple question. "What is the first thing you do every morning?" She answered, "I drink my coffee." That was the moment everything came together. I explained to Margaret that there are 8 specific nutrients she could stir into that same cup of coffee. Ingredients supported by research that can help restore strength, protect muscle tissue, and support the energy she needs to stay independent. Today, Margaret comfortably walks 3 miles a day and carries her own bags without fear. By the time you finish this video, you will know exactly what she started adding to her coffee. Before we dive into the details, I would love to know where you are watching from. Take a second to comment on your city or country below so I can see where our community is tuning in from around the world. You will want to stay to the end because what is coming next can make a real difference. Let us talk about why your muscles need extra support as the years go by. Here is the uncomfortable reality. After about age 30, your body naturally loses roughly 3 to 5% of its muscle mass every decade. By the time you reach 60, that can add up to around 15% of your strength gone. This process is known as sarcopenia. It is quiet, gradual, and serious. Sarcopenia does more than make you feel weaker. It raises your risk of falls and fractures and can slowly erode your independence. It affects your metabolism, throws off your balance, and can chip away at your confidence. Now for the encouraging part. Muscle loss is not a fate you are forced to accept. Your body can still build and preserve muscle no matter how old you are, but it needs help. The right fuel, the right nutrients, and the right strategy all matter. That is where your morning coffee becomes more than a habit. When you enhance it with carefully chosen ingredients that support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and speed recovery, it turns into a powerful daily tool rather than just a comforting drink. In the next 12 minutes, I will guide you through 8 key add-ins counting down from number 8 to number 1. Each one plays a different role. Some will cushion and protect your joints, some will feed your muscles directly, and some are absolute game changers for older adults. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is far more than a pleasant sprinkle on top of your latte. It acts like a metabolic support tool for your whole body. One of its key benefits is helping to steady blood sugar levels, which is essential for keeping your energy consistent from morning to night. When blood sugar swings up and down, your strength and stamina tend to swing with it. Studies suggest that cinnamon can boost insulin sensitivity by as much as 29%, meaning your cells are better able to use glucose for fuel instead of shuttling it into fat storage. For older adults, that can translate into smoother energy, less systemic inflammation, and a better foundation for staying active. On its own, cinnamon will not give you bodybuilder muscles, but it helps create the right internal conditions for your muscles to stay healthy. By calming inflammation, it protects muscle tissue from one of its quietest enemies. Stirring about half a teaspoon into your morning coffee is an easy way to start taking advantage of these benefits. One important tip: choose Ceylon cinnamon, often labeled as true cinnamon. It contains much lower levels of coumarin, a compound that may be harmful in large amounts. A small daily change, but one that can meaningfully support your metabolism. 2. Cocoa powder. Here we are not talking about sugary hot chocolate mixes, but about pure unsweetened cocoa powder loaded with flavonoids and antioxidants. Cocoa is rich in flavanols, compounds that enhance blood flow to your muscles. When circulation improves, more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscle fibers, supporting faster recovery after activity and easing soreness. Research shows that cocoa flavonols can boost exercise performance in older adults by improving endurance and lowering oxidative stress. In simple terms, they upgrade the delivery system that keeps your muscles supplied and resilient. Stir 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder into your coffee to create a rich mocha taste while also supporting your cardiovascular health. Just keep in mind that cocoa itself will not directly increase muscle size, but it strengthens the underlying systems your muscles rely on to stay strong. 3. Coconut oil. Here we are talking about medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, a special type of fat that your body handles differently from ordinary fats, and that difference is especially important for older adults. Instead of moving slowly through the usual digestive pathway, MCTs travel quickly to your liver, where they are turned into ketones, a fast-acting fuel source for both your brain and your muscles. This is one big reason you see athletes and many seniors adding MCT oil to their daily routines. For older adults, MCTs can deliver a clean energy lift without the blood sugar spike and crash that often comes with carbohydrates. That steady energy makes it easier to stay active throughout the day, and activity is crucial because muscles that are not used slowly shrink and weaken. A simple way to start is to stir 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or MCT oil into your morning coffee. Some people gradually increase to a full tablespoon. It gives your coffee a rich, creamy mouthfeel while providing hours of more stable energy. Just keep one thing in mind. MCTs by themselves will not completely stop muscle loss. They are a helpful tool in your toolbox, not a miracle cure. Now, we arrive at number 5, where things begin to get serious. We are halfway through this list, so let us pause for a moment. If you are still watching, it tells me you care deeply about your health. You are not chasing quick fixes. You want practical solutions grounded in real science. The next 4 ingredients are where the true muscle-building power shows up. They do not just support your body, they are essential for protecting strength as you age. If you have not subscribed yet, this is a good moment to do it. Hit the subscribe button because what you are about to hear in the next 8 minutes could genuinely reshape your strength and independence. 4. Milk or a protein-rich creamer. This one might look simple, but it is absolutely foundational. Milk delivers 2 nutrients seniors cannot afford to ignore: calcium and protein. Both are essential for keeping muscles and bones strong. Your muscles and bones do not work in isolation, they function as one system. When your bones become weaker, your balance and stability suffer. You move less, avoid activity, and over time that lack of movement drives muscle loss. It is a downward spiral. Calcium helps keep your bones dense and sturdy, while the protein in milk supplies the amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild after daily use or exercise. A single cup of milk adds around 8 grams of protein to your coffee. If you are lactose intolerant, choose a higher protein option such as fortified almond milk or oat milk, but always read the nutrition label. Many plant-based milks contain very little protein and will not give you the support you think you are getting. Here is the bottom line. Protein and calcium are core building blocks of healthy aging. Without them, every other supplement or strategy you use is working at half strength. Aim to pour at least 1/4 cup of milk into your coffee each morning. It is a small habit that is simple, affordable, and highly effective. 5. Collagen powder. This is the ingredient everyone is talking about right now, and there is a solid reason for the hype. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your entire body. It forms the framework that supports your joints, tendons, skin, and muscles. After about age 40, your natural collagen production starts to decline by roughly 1% each year. By the time you reach 60, you may have lost around 20%. That drop shows up as achy joints, stiff movement, and weaker connective tissue. When your connective tissue is compromised, your muscles simply cannot perform at their best. Research has found that collagen supplements can ease joint pain in as little as 12 weeks. What really surprised me is this. When older adults combine collagen with resistance training, they can see support for muscle mass gains as well. It is not as potent as whey protein, which we will talk about soon, but it offers its own unique set of advantages. For the best results, choose hydrolyzed collagen. It mixes smoothly into hot or cold drinks without clumping. Add 1 scoop, about 10 to 15 grams, to your coffee each day. It has no real taste and blends right in. Your joints are likely to feel the difference first, and with time your muscles will benefit from the stronger foundation too. 6. Whey protein. Let me say this as clearly as possible. Whey protein is the single most powerful supplement we have for slowing down and even reversing age-related muscle loss. If you remember only one recommendation from this entire video, let it be this one. Whey protein is a complete protein source, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Even more important, it is especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that switches on muscle protein synthesis. You can think of leucine as the key that turns the ignition on your muscle building engine. Study after study shows that older adults who take around 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, particularly after physical activity, can dramatically slow down or even push back sarcopenia. We are talking about real, measurable gains in muscle size, strength, and day-to-day physical performance. Here is how to put it to work. Add 1 scoop of whey protein powder to your coffee, roughly 20 to 25 grams. If you exercise in the morning, drink this after your workout. If you are not exercising yet, have it with your breakfast, so you start your day with a solid dose of high-quality protein. Choose an unflavored or gentle vanilla whey protein so it blends well with your coffee flavor. Mix or blend it thoroughly to avoid clumps. This one simple habit can be a true turning point, often making the difference between staying strong and independent or gradually slipping into weakness and frailty later in life. It is that powerful. 7. Turmeric. Here we are really interested in curcumin, the active compound inside turmeric that many experts call one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation is a quiet but powerful enemy of muscle health. When it becomes chronic, it breaks down muscle tissue faster than your body can repair. It leads to aching joints, limits how easily you move, and speeds up the aging process. Curcumin goes to work at the cellular level, blocking inflammatory pathways such as NF-kappa B and lowering key markers like C-reactive protein. Research shows that curcumin can cut post-exercise muscle soreness by up to 48% and significantly improve joint mobility in people living with arthritis. For older adults, that translates to less pain and more freedom of movement, and movement is exactly what keeps your muscles alive and strong. To put it into practice, stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into your coffee. Here is the crucial step. Add a small pinch of black pepper as well. Black pepper contains papain, a compound that can boost the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Without it, most of the curcumin simply passes through your system unused. Some people also mix in a little coconut oil since curcumin is fat-soluble and absorbs better with fat present. Together, this creates what many call golden coffee, a warm, comforting drink that doubles as an inflammation-fighting powerhouse. 8. Black coffee itself. All of these add-ins only work if you begin with a solid base, and that base is good quality black coffee. On its own, coffee offers impressive benefits for muscle health and healthy aging. It is packed with antioxidants, often more than many fruits and vegetables. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, the process that damages muscle cells and speeds up aging. Coffee also boosts exercise performance by roughly 11 to 12%, which means you can train a little harder and hold on to more muscle over time. Regular moderate coffee intake, about 2 to 4 cups per day, has been linked to a lower risk of several age-related conditions, including type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and some forms of cancer. It can raise your metabolic rate, sharpen your concentration, and keep you moving instead of slowing down. There is one important caution. Too much caffeine, especially on an empty stomach, can increase cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. To avoid this, enjoy your enhanced coffee with food, drink plenty of water, and keep your daily intake under about 400 milligrams of caffeine, which is roughly 4 regular cups. Think of black coffee as your foundation. Everything else we have talked about, cinnamon, cocoa, coconut oil, milk, or protein-rich, creamer, collagen, whey protein, and turmeric simply builds on top of that base. Together, they turn a simple morning drink into a muscle-protecting, strength-building ritual that supports your body every single day. So, here we are. 8 simple additions that can turn your everyday coffee into a true shield for your muscles. You do not have to start with all 8 at once. Begin with a solid base of black coffee and whey protein, then layer in collagen to support your joints and turmeric to calm inflammation. From there, you can build the version that fits you best. Remember Margaret, she only began with 3 of these ingredients. Within 3 months, her strength improved, her confidence returned, and she gained back her independence. That kind of change is possible for you as well. If this video brought you value, tap the like button and subscribe to our channel for more science-based strategies to protect your health. In the comments, tell me which ingredient you are planning to add to your coffee tomorrow. I read every single comment. Your strength matters. Your independence matters. And sometimes the turning point is as small as what you stir into your morning cup.